also my favorite place.
Oh, he hit it as soon as it hit the water.
That's definitely the biggest one of the day.
Come on.
Oh, well, you just lost your title for biggest one of the night.
What's up, YouTube? We're back at it again today. Today we're at this little pond right here on a buddy of mine's property. It's not very big. It's about half an acre, maybe 3/4 of an acre, but it's got some nice fish in it, so we're gonna give it a shot and see if we can catch a few. We'll catch you there. Let's see. What can I put on here? I'm gonna put a torpedo on my other rod, and then for this one I may just put this spinner on. This is the same spinner I was using in the last video, but I can run this a lot slower and they have more time to make up their mind whether or not they want to hit it or not. So I'm going to get these changed over, and I'll see you back at the lake, or at the pond. Alright, so we're back at the pond. We're going to throw this little torpedo right here in like a bullfrog color. And, but throw it out there, let it set for a second, and you pop it. You work it like a popper. You don't have to run it like that. It's just the best way that I've found. You can actually just throw it out there and crank it in, and it makes a nice little sound, and it spits a little water. But this right here, working it like a popping frog kinda, is the best way that I've found for it to work. You just pop, pop. And that torpedo on the back turns as you pop it, and it throws a lot of water. So we're gonna fish around with this for a little bit and hopefully get us a good bite on it. I'd like to get a nice little topwater blow up. Most of the time, when you're using a lure like this, they hit it on the pause, so you'll pop, pop, and when you pause, that's when they'll hit it. But this just seems to be spooking them. There's swirls all around it, but I believe it's actually spooking the fish more than enticing them to bite. Trying to run it just a little bit faster so they don't have time to look at the hooks. Get that reaction bite out of them. They don't have time to think about it. Oh, that's a good blow up. Yes, sir. We got us another one. Oh yeah, he's still kind of small. The first one I caught was kind of a nice fish, but he was just a little bit bigger than this one. And this guy's peeing on me. That's always great. But see if I can get these hooks out of him without getting one in my finger. Oh, yep, there we go. Pops right out. That's a good looking fish. He's He's thick, he's small, but he's healthy, he's got good color. I believe these fish are getting ready to spawn. A couple of the first 3 that I caught had fat little bellies on them. So I think they're getting ready to spawn here real soon. But we're gonna get this guy put back and hopefully get another cool blow up like that. Fix my lure here. So they like it when it's moving constantly. He did hit it on the paws, but they don't like it when I stop it. And he absolutely smashed it. For such a small fish, he made a pretty good jump at it. There we go, right on the bank. Hopefully we can pull one out from under that bush right there. Throw right in this little corner. Kind of shallow, but there may still be something sitting there, even if it's kind of tiny. Come up, take a swing at it. This thing is supposed to look like a frog. On the bank is where you're going to get most of your frogs, so. Nice. Oh, I got her hung up. Move down a little bit, get a better angle. Stop hitting the trees behind me. There's a little pocket right there in between 2 trees. I'm going to try to hit that pocket as close to that bank as I can get. That's pretty good. This is also my favorite place to... Oh, he hit it as soon as it hit the water. Oh, he nailed it. But what I was saying before I was interrupted was this is my favorite place to come and get bullfrogs. That's another squeaker. What are you doing, man? What are you doing? Making poor life decisions. Does that look delicious to you? I just had you way up on the camera. Calm down. Another good looking little fish, but he's a little squeaker guy, so we're looking for big ones. Yeah, he nailed it as soon as it hit the water. When it hit the water that time, something swirled behind it. I was hoping it would follow. Maybe catching all little ones, but it's just nice to be catching them. It's been a long winter. I didn't do any trout fishing this year. Of course, there's like 2 more months of it, so I may still do some yet. Just to try to get some footage for YouTube. Oh, little tiny one. Little tiny one snapped at it. Like a minnow. Come on. Where the big ones at? Catching squeak. Oh, there's one. Got another one. Another little guy though. Man, there's a pile of these little ones in here. It's about the same size as the last one. Oh, calm down. Get this hook out of you. All right, there's another one. They're all healthy looking though. So we'll put him back and get some more. What are you using? Oh, okay. Does it need to be tuned? Is it walking right? All right, well, we're gonna go check this jitterbug and see if it's tuned right really quick. All right, hang on. Throw it out there, just throw it a little ways. Don't throw it real far. Oh, about to get hit.
I think I'll catch something.
Killing it. Just reel it in. All right, it's walking to the left a little bit. It's a little hard left. So when you reel it up, just give it to me and I'll tune it a little bit. Look at that. They're jumping all over the place.
I don't want to look at nothing. No,
They're jumping all over the place. You got crap all over your hook too. Oh, that's weird. I've never seen a hook with just the two right there. That's usually like the hook you would see in the back of a frog. That's kind of weird. I've never seen one like that.
In my box.
This is a brand new jitterbug. That's why it's not walking right. You got to tune this lip just a little bit. All right, throw it back out there and see what she does now. Oh yeah. I think walking like money now. Nice and straight. That might help a little bit. Ugh. If that doesn't help, you going back to the house? Here, we'll just dive right in here. They've been jumping right where this pipe is. So I'm gonna try to get down here without falling in. Oh, there's another hit. He nailed it. Another little squeaky guy, but well, oh, easy release. Those are always nice. Unless it's a monster that you want to take pictures of. I'm gonna tell you what, they are smashing this thing. All right, so we just changed lures and old Shelby's giving it a hike over there. But we just put on a little soft plastic frog. I'm gonna work it real. Sorry, bugs are destroying me right now. But yeah, we're just gonna run this little frog for a little bit. Something massive just hit the water right back over here. So that's why Shelby's taking a hike, because she's going to find that fish. She's in it for the quality, not the quantity. I'm here for the quantity. Uh-oh. Mama hung one. Oh, it's a doozy too. What are you doing, man? Well, she got the biggest one so far. Let's walk back here and take a look at it. Yeah, I'm coming to look at your fish. Oh. Well, don't do that. He broke the lure? Or he broke the line? Yeah. Alright, hang on. I'm coming. Put my rod down. Don't squish him. You got him. Pick him up. Oh, yeah.
I'm glad he waited till he was on the shore to break it.
No joke. That's a pretty little lure. Come on.
He won't come off the hook.
No, he wasn't. That's that weird hook, too. That's the weirdest hook I've ever seen.
Ah, he dirty.
Yeah, he's a little dirty, but there he is. That's the biggest one of the day so far. And light is fading, so. But yeah, hopefully we got time to catch a few more. All right, put him back gentle. That one had a nice little belly on it. I think that one's getting ready to spawn.
Most likely.
That was probably a female.
No, I'm kind of worried about my time.
Yep. This pond's been stocked probably twice within the last 4 or 5 years. And what? Huh?
I walked that away.
No. You do it.
I did. Look what I caught.
Uh-huh. They're not really hitting on this frog too much, which is crazy because it's kind of realistic. I'll throw over there once, I guess. All right, let's throw this frog over there at the tree. Oh, well, I missed it by a little bit, but it's still in a good spot. They are not digging this frog. They do not want no part of it. Get myself stable. Move over a little bit. There's still stuff in my way. Oh, there we go. Perfect. I landed right next to it. Is that you? Oh, there's a fish. Fish just jumped right here in front of us. Oh yeah, he's a big one. There's a giant woodpecker flying around us. Oh, there he is. Oh, nice. He's putting up quite a bit of a fight. Come on, come on. Oh, well, you just lost your title for biggest one of the night. Yep. Shelby let me have her spot, and I caught a bigger fish. This is a male, though. He's kind of skinny. Yours might have been heavier just because it had that belly. All right. Oh, shot myself with water. All right. That's a decent little fish for a farm pond. He's got some nice girth to him. He's got good color. Doesn't have any parasites that I can find. So, overall, this pond is very healthy. So we're gonna put him back real quick. Oh, there he goes. All right, guys. Well, as you saw, we had a little bit better luck than the first video. I think altogether I caught 8, 9. Of course, 3 of them weren't on camera. And Shelby did get lucky and catch 1. So, but look forward. We're going to do that husband versus wife challenge as soon as we get the boat ready. So we will catch y'all again next week. I'm trying to put out 1 video a week. I feel like that'll be I can do that with my work schedule and everything. But yeah, it's great topwater action for tonight. So we're gonna go get some dinner because you heard my stomach growling. So we'll catch y'all next time. Peace.